As a content creator, the one thing I constantly used to struggle is to get clean and professional audio, especially shooting on the go, like outdoor or maybe a cafe like this. I always get background noises or muffled sounds when I use normal audio equipments. So I finally added something new to my setup, and honestly, it changed everything. This is the IZI X Wireless microphone.
Let us unbox and see what is inside this beautiful package. Inside, we have a beautiful carry bag which can protect the products inside. This is one of the two transmitters. It looks sleek and stylish. And one of my favorite features of this product is that it can do 120 meters of range. As I mentioned, there are two transmitters and one receiver. If you're shooting with a friend or doing an interview, this comes handy. It comes with one monitoring headphone, fur windshield for both transmitters. This is really helpful to cut wind noise when you're recording. Then we have charging cables and a set of cables that can be used to connect various devices to the microphone. As I mentioned, you can connect DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, Android devices, and even iOS devices. Now let's check out the audio samples with and without the advanced noise cancellation.
It comes with a unique and beautiful pouch like this, which protects the product. It comes with a unique and beautiful pouch like this, which protects the product. As you can see, this is compact and it charges fast, and you can use it for at least 16 hours. If you're a content creator and you shoot on different locations, this just fits your flow. No bulky audio gear and no stress. So this IZI X Wireless microphone didn't just level up my audio game, it just leveled up the entire content. And honestly, I'm not going back.